Hey guys, I was not planning on making a video today, but I really just had to jump on here and tell you that I've had crazy returns on the investments that I've made. And I know a lot of you have kind of been following me on this journey, making investments since I started. But I just want to tell you, if you do not already invest in stocks, guys, it's such a good use of your money versus putting it into a savings account. I have a savings account that earns like 0.001% or something crazy like that. Even really good savings accounts are not going to get you more than 1% or 2% nowadays. Check out today's profit that I've made on this one stock, just one stock. It's insane to think that my money has been sitting in a savings account, earning just pennies and dollars every year when I could have been investing it and getting a much higher return. Now, I'm not saying invest all of your money and things like that. Personally, I'm in it for the long term with these stocks, and I only invest a little bit here and there. I invest 100 or 200 every month. Some months I'm not able to. A lot of months I'm able to put a little bit more back and invest that. But I do recommend looking into investing because I feel like you're wasting your money potential if you're just letting it set in an account. And if you have a little bit of extra income and you want to experiment with this, definitely check it out. I'm putting my link down in the description where you can get 2 free stocks just for signing up. If you decide that stocks are just not for you, cash out the stock, send that money back to your bank account. You can do that. Your first free stock is going to be a low-level stock just for signing up, but I really recommend you wait to sign up until you have $100 to deposit, because when you deposit your first $100 with Webull, which is the app that I use and love, I mean, I have a million videos about it. I just really love their platform. It's so easy to use. But if you sign up and you deposit $100, you're going to get a second free stock. And the second free stock is usually of higher value than the first one. And you have potential to get a really high value stock. Some people do. Some people are very lucky. Mine was okay. I think mine was around the $10, $15 range. But hey guys, that's free money because you can sell that stock or hang on to it, which is what I recommend doing. Recently, I've really gotten into doing long-term stocks, things that I think are going to pay off well into the future. Stocks that have good dividends. I mean, I'm just going to be honest, the dividends alone on my Apple stock are more money than I made on interest from having way more in a savings account. So you have to look at that too. Definitely check out that link in the description. There's a lot of links out there that tell you you're gonna get free stocks and then you click them and sign up and they don't. My links work. I guarantee that my links work. I promise you that if you sign up, you're going to get your first free stock once your account's approved. And then after you deposit $100, you're gonna get your second free stock guaranteed if you use my link. Can't say the same if you use another link that you find online because a lot of those are very outdated. Mine are all up to date. Oh, and check out this, Bitcoin. You don't have to buy an entire Bitcoin. You can buy a part of a Bitcoin with Webull, which is what I did because I'm not spending what an actual Bitcoin cost. I don't have the money to do that at this point. It's way, way up there. But I can buy a part of it and be a part of that as it skyrockets. I've got a little bit of Bitcoin, but look at how much it's increased just today alone. These numbers are insane. And like I said, your experience may be different, but I personally feel like my money is better spent investing on stocks that I have researched and that I feel good about and that I'm going to keep long term versus putting my money in a savings account where I'm going to get a percentage of a percentage. Again, I recommend starting off with just that $100 and seeing where that takes you. And if you feel good about it after your $100 investment, kind of go from there. I do a little bit each month. Like I said, whenever I get some extra money, I put it aside and I invest that. And so far, my returns have been more just in this 1 year than I've gotten in interest on my savings account over the past 8 years. Not even kidding you. So that's why I feel like this is where my spare change is going from this point on. When you sign up for a cash account instead of a market account because you want to make sure that you're only spending money that you have in your account. And a cash account means that you can't spend more money than you deposit. Market account, it's kind of like credit. It means that you can buy and you can continue to buy with the promise to pay them back later. And I recommend that everybody just do a cash account, especially if you're new to investing. That's what I still use because I feel more comfortable knowing that if I deposit $100, I'm only going to be able to spend that $100 and not accidentally spend over it. So definitely do a cash account. Let me know in the comments what you think about all this. Don't miss this boat, guys. Back when the pandemic first hit, everyone was saying this is the time to invest. Well, a lot of people said, no, I'm going to wait. Now people are saying this is the time to invest. I mean, look at what has been going on lately. GameStop. What is going on with these stocks? They're just crazy. You have the potential to really make some money here, but get started using that link in the description, because I want you to get at least your 2 free stocks, regardless of whether you decide to continue investing after you try it out or not. Those are your stocks to keep, and they're free. Just make sure you've got $100 ready to deposit when you sign up, because that's going to ensure that you get 2 and not just 1 free stock. Really good deal. One of the only online brokers that I know of that does this, and their customer support, in my opinion, is fantastic. Huge fan of the platform if you haven't been able to tell. I've only got good things to say about it, but let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm here to help. I want you to be able to get the most out of your money. That's what this channel is all about. So be sure to subscribe if you want to get more tips about investing and more information on how to get the most out of your money. And I'll see you guys later.